Just another day on the porch.
Okay.
You tapped me on the wrong shoulder, but that's okay. Oh, you look so beautiful. Oh my goodness. No more crying. Come on. Let's both get it together. Oh, that was so good. You're so beautiful. I didn't even notice. Look at that.
I got a crown of flowers in my hair.
Well, I guess you only get to do this once, so why not, right? We're doing this. I'm so happy with it.
Today, I got to witness not only the joy and the love that Maggie brings you, but the balance and the strength you both bring each other. And of course, Maggie. Can't forget Maggie. She's here. I know how much love you give Jim. You bring him a whole new light to his life. And I remember hearing about you for the first time, how you guys met and went out for coffee, and you had that really fun run-in with a homeless guy. And then I met you, and we went to Old Stone Tavern, and by just the way you and Jim worked so well together, no matter where your lives took you, you were the perfect match for my best friend.
I have known Maggie since 8 a.m. on November 3rd, 2014. I remember this day and time because it was the most terrifying day of my life.
Okay, so I'll put that one in there, and then I'll have the other one and the other one, so each child can... What's the earrings? The earrings and then my purling. He got me Tiffany pearls.
Oh, he did? Look at him. I remember you sent him the link, right?
We were walking into orientation at Strong Memorial Hospital for the first day of our career as new nurses. I arrived to an auditorium filled with people laughing and talking to their seatmates. I have to imagine I was the one running late, so I found Marge in the crowd with an empty seat next to her. So I took that seat. Once I sat down next to her, I looked at her and I said, "Are you working in the ED too?" And quite loudly, she replied, "Yes." My follow-up question was, "Okay, do you want to be friends?" And she again said, "Yes." What I didn't know at the time was that this was going to be a glimpse into our friendship.
When I started writing this speech, it dawned on me that I'd known Jimmy my entire life. I've known Jimmy 27 years. 27 years is a hell of a long time. And he's the only person that I can call a lifelong friend. One of my only lifelong friends.
Using it as some sort of drink.
Yeah, some water.
Whiskey and water.
This moment here is the proudest of my life. That's supposed to come at the end of the speech, but I'm gonna say it right now. Jimmy, together we overcame challenges and experienced things that shape the way I look at the world and how I look at life.
How's that look? We do all right?
We became men together. We learned how to succeed together.
Thanks so much, buddy. Of course, dude.
We learned how to lose and how to handle that loss together.
As I grew to know and love my Marge, I could only hope someone could do for her what she did for me. Enter Jim. I have watched Maggie grow into the best version of herself with Jim by her side. Their unwavering loyalty and devotion to one another is to be admired. But it was when I heard the stories about Jim developing his close relationship with the other two loves of Maggie's life, Phoebe and Lydia, that I knew he was the one for my Marge.
Look at you.
Look at you.
You forgot to change your shoes. You look great. I'm going to. Let's do.
Maggie. I promise to always make you feel loved. I promise to be strong for you. I promise to always make time to laugh together, talk together, or even just sit together.
First, to quote Dory from Finding Nemo, because when I look at you, I can feel it, and I look at you, and I'm home. The past year has been hard, but my love for you has only grown. I love you, and I know we can get through anything as long as we're side by side. I thank you for being my happily ever after.
Nursing is how I came to know Maggie, but our adult trips to Disney with no children, and dressing up in tutus and running half marathons truly solidified our friendship in many ways. She knows what she wants, and from the time she met Jim and told us about him, we knew that was going to be it, and he was the one. We knew she was smitten, and soon enough we knew exactly what ring, size, carat, color, cut, everything about the ring, which Jim is very lucky to have me and Kate, because that's why she has her ring. Jim, I don't have to tell you how lucky you are to have Marge as your wife, but I'm thankful for you for being her Prince Charming and sweeping Maggie off her feet to make her feel so happy.
What an amazing night, though, right? Amazing night we've had, amazing day. I just want to thank Mr. and Mrs. Coulter, Tom and Susan. This is an incredible venue for Jim and Maggie to have been married. Really just an amazing place, amazing couple.
So we got a couple people in this tent who are ER nurses, so don't get too lit because we don't feel like helping you tonight. Margie, I know Jim has made you a lot of promises for a lifetime today, but I want to make some as well. I promise to help you run and finish the half marathon, but only in Disney World and nowhere else.
We're having fun.
I promise to always braid your hair any time of the day you ask me to. And I promise to be by your side as a friend for a lifetime and beyond.
You tapped me on the wrong shoulder, but that's okay. Oh, you look so beautiful. Oh, my goodness.
Don't mess up my hair.
It was 10 and 2, right? Oh, I'm so happy.
Jim, I will be forever grateful for you, for all that you have done for Maggie, and I know will continue to do. Here's to Jim and Maggie, wishing you a lifetime of love, adventure, happiness, date nights at Charlie Brown's, shortbread kisses, dates with Phoebe and Lydia, and endless laughs.
And finally, most of all, I promise to work every day to be the husband that you deserve.